Welcome to Daily English Sentences. Here are today's sentences. Listen carefully and practice daily to improve your English fluency.
In Dialogue, Ali Sara. Topic, School routine. Sara, hi Ali. Are you ready for school? Ali, yes, I go to school at 8:30 a.m. Sara, that's soon. Do you walk or take the bus? Ali, I usually take the bus with my friends. Sara, that sounds fun. Ali, yes, we talk and laugh on the way. Sara, what's your first class today? Ali, English. I'm excited. Sara, great. Have a good day at school. Ali, thanks. See you later.
Practice these short sentences every day, step by step. Your English speaking will become more natural and confident. See you in the next session. Thank you. Subscribe my channel.